Bago tayo pumunta ng tutorial, i-unbox muna natin ang gaming mouse and keyboard combo na ito. Yeah, again, a big shout out to Milky Way Shop for sending this free gift. Let's do the unboxing. Napaka-seryoso ah. Wow. Meron pa tayong ano dito guys. May pangalan pa tayo dito. Nakalagay pa M1PRO. Again, sa mga gusto mag-avail ng combo gaming mouse and keyboard na ito, I will link it below. The good thing about this mouse and keyboard guys, very budget friendly siya. So sa mga mahilig sa budget meal, nakatulad ko. It only costs around 300 to 400. But again, this is a free gift so wala tayong binayaran dito. This is it. Let's go! Oh my goodness. Looking at the box. Yeah, alam natin, the familiar game, PUBG Mobile. But we have also different titles here. May Wild Rift, may New State tayo dito. Ba, may Apex Legends ba?
Wow!
Boy, pa Apex Legends. Pero patay na tayo. May Quadem din. And the rest. So, looking at the box, check din natin yung likod niya. So, sabi dito, we have the model M1PRO 5-in-1 combo. So, hindi na pala siya dalawa guys. It's a 5-in-1 combo. And then, ang connection niya is Bluetooth 5.0. Latency is 6 ms. Gun press, dynamic gun press. And then, USB powered din siya, 5 volt. Plus the system, Android, Harmony OS, or iOS. So, the good thing about this guys is compatible siya sa Android and sa Harmony OS and also sa iOS. Surprisingly, compatible din pala siya sa iOS. Kala ko pang Android lang siya. Pero, yun nga, ano pa nasa gilid dito? Siyempre, muna natin guys. Smell test muna tayo guys. Medyo wala siyang amoy. Siguro stock to guys. Wala siyang masyadong amoy. Saan natin? Daming satsat. Yan. So, bubungad sa atin is the mouse. Yan. Ating mouse. Yan. Parang makeup lang. Yan. Yeah, dito. Ayan. Pati dito. Yeah, we have the mouse. Looking at the mouse, it's very well built, guys. Although, it is very cheap. Surprisingly, guys, maganda yung built ng mouse niya. Although, it's a plastic. Tapos, ang kanyang wire is, ano din siya. Goods din siya. Pero it's a typical silicone wire. I was expecting of a braided wire. Pero, di ba? What do you expect? Actually, meron siyang, meron siyang print yung silicone wire niya. Hindi siya yung smooth lang. So, tabi muna natin to. Lagay muna natin to dito. Then, we have the adapter or the converter. Saan natin? Para mas makita natin ang maayos. So, we have the converter. Ayan, dito natin sasalpak yung phone natin and also the rest of the accessory. So, we have USB. Here, we have Type-C. And we have two more USB-A. Yeah, so may Type-C, may USB, and then another two USB-A. Then may button siya dito. I think this is for activating the program para ma-on, para gumana yung laro natin. Yeah, may naka-indicate na rin din pala dito guys. If makikita nyo, we have the power adapter here. Yeah, may symbol naman siya. Then meron ditong mouse. This is for mouse and this is for keyboard. And then we have charging for your device, for your smartphone device. Yan, sige, tabi muna natin to. Yan. Kasama din is USB. Yan. Type-C na siya. Wow, that is so good. Tabi lang ulit natin dito. And then we have a very tiny phone holder, the typical one. Universal, kulay dilaw. Wow. My least favorite color. May adjust na naman siya. Kabit lang ulit natin dito. Buksan na natin to. I think this is the keyboard. Whoa! That is so nice. Yun ang hinahanap nating amoy. Andito pala sa keyboard. Pero na, then we have a mousepad. Sige, tabi muna natin tong box. Look at the keyboard guys. This is the keyboard. Napaka-elegant ng keyboard. And again, for a very cheap price. This is somewhat quality. I didn't expect this guys. Na-expect ko dito para mga A4 tech kasi nga almost 200 to 300 lang siya. Pero ang ganda. Hindi ko inakalang ganito siya. Very finish yung kanyang material. Plastic siya pero very finish, very smooth. Then to meron siyang palm rest. Then the typical left side of the keyboard, yung mga keys na yan, na mostly ginagamit natin kapag nag-FPS games tayo or nag-MOBA games tayo. Yan lang yung mga typical na ginagamit natin ng mga keys. And look at the detail, guys. If you can see the detail, yan, may mga barrel dyan, oh. May mga jump, may mga grenades or throwables, icons embedded to the keyboard. What a touch, what a touch. So far guys, we are liking it. I'll just put it here and then meron pang kasamang mousepad na hindi ko rin magagamit kasi naka-long mousepad na tayo or naka-full mousepad na tayo. Pero pakita ko na lang din sa inyo guys. Yun is the mousepad, the free mousepad, the typical one. Yeah. Kulang na yan dito nakalagay A4 Tech. Pero yun, this is it, pansit. We have the mouse, we have the keyboard, and we have the converter. So let's do that tutorial.